How to fix low headphone volume in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, increase your volume from here, and after increasing the volume, open settings and go in sound and haptics and scroll down last and open headphone safety. And if you turn this button on, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open settings and go in general and click on software updates. Here you can check your iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating latest iOS version, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.